Hello,
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
good evening. What's your name?
Himanshu Sharma.
Himanshu, how are you?
I am fine. You say?
I'm good too. Okay, let me introduce myself first. I am Sanskruti Gupta and I am HR Project Manager at GB Private Limited. We are the recruiting agency for overseas employment and we are working for European companies. As I
Okay.
already mentioned that you will work for European project and you will have a better opportunity in future.
Okay.
So for this, I will give you a few minutes to explain your technical specifications, but not more than 2 minutes. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
You may start now.
Okay. Ma'am, my first company was Data Infosys Limited, which is ISP. ISP means Internet Service Provider. My position was the network support executive. Means my work was to work on the various networking devices and troubleshoot the client problem. After that, I just realized now I have to gain some more technical skills. I just leave that job and I just go to the Pune for better opportunities to learn the better technologies like Python, Hadoop, uh, incoming technology, Python, Hadoop, Spark, Scala, and all these incoming technologies. So after completing that studies, I have come to Jaipur and just joined the Locus X. Locus X, I was there as a Python developer. Uh, After that Locus X, I have joined the Vertex Plus company, which is my current company. I have done some project in this company. I will tell you some projects like Cybentity. Cybentity is a USA-based car company. You know that in USA, like they are moving from driverless cars. So what their technology uses, what the features, and we are all getting that. We are all extracting that features and give to the USA insurance and banking companies so they can make their policies. We
Hmm.
have also USA Good Time project. In that, I have worked as make an API which is recommending location like nearby restaurant and
Hmm.
hotels. So I have make this. I have also worked one project is AIHIT. In that, they give me a company name and where it is company. Like they give me XYZ company name and it is like Singapore or USA or America. I have to fetch like company details like their email ID, their phone number, their address, and
Hmm.
their like fax number, and all these the important data I have to fetch. Then I have also right now I'm just working on webcam. It is Python ML project.
Hmm.
We have to like calculate how many persons are there in that building, that floor. All these we have to work. It is in running process, and we are working on from sketch. Okay. Then I am also work on OCR like object recognition, object character recognition. Like we have PDF or photo, and we have to just uh, fetch the data from that.
Hmm.
Uh, I have some technical certification. Like I have done my summer internship from Airport Authority of India. I have my Texas instrumentation certification, like which is held in our college, and I also Sixth Sense robotic certification, which
Hmm.
is held at NIT's Jaipur, and we have these all.
Okay, Himanshu, tell me why do you choose Python as your career path?
Ma'am, we have so many languages like Java, PHP, C++, all these. We have so many, but the Python, you know that coming years are like for machine learning, artificial intelligence, and Python is so good for that. Because Python has like inbuilt like structure so many packages to support this machine learning and artificial intelligence. So that's why I have learned Python. And one of the all this Python is so easy, like other than Java, C++. So
Hmm.
Python is easy, high, not so much complicated, easy to use, easy to write, easy to understand,
Hmm.
uh, and easy to like use other third party packages. So that's why I choose the Python.
Okay, okay. So tell me something which is not in your CV.
Like ma'am, I have in morning I just need the newspaper because I love newspaper. Without reading newspaper, my day is like empty. I have one dog. I love so much because I just used to play morning and evening with him. Uh,
Good.
I have
I
also
must.
the good I am the sports person. You can say in my whole life, academic year, you can say that I was like good in studies and also good in the sports also. You can say that.
Good, interesting. So I want you to be honest for this. If you are selected, then how much time you will take to join us?
2 months, ma'am.
Okay, 2 months. Okay, Himanshu, do you have any questions?
Ma'am, right now I just want to as I have to join your company, I want your company culture because for me as a candidate, I want to join a company which has good environment from where I just learn many more things and I give my best to my company.
I can say that you will get a very good infrastructure from us, and all the brief description of the company will be given by the second round.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, Himanshu, we will contact you shortly for the round 2. Till then, be safe, take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.